Tether supply has been going up. USDT on exchanges are going up. Whales holding USDT also going up. And why is that a good thing? Because they're getting ready. They're getting ready to utilize all this money. Why else would they be accumulating USDT? So this is not the low. The low point was back in June. And since then, they've been accumulating more and more and more USDT in their accounts because they're getting ready to jump in. That's also very important. You got a lot of money sitting on the sidelines. Just in crypto, look at how much USDT there is. 83 billion, okay? USDC, 25 billion. Those two alone already over $100 billion in stablecoins waiting to come in already. That's $100 billion. But there's hundreds of billions more outside waiting to jump in. As soon as a spot Bitcoin ETF is approved, that we're talking about another 300 to 400 billion. And then let's not forget in 2024, when the environment gets better, when we actually get some rate cuts, the economy starts blooming once again. People are flush with cash and they want to invest and they start FOMOing. Then we're talking about maybe even trillions that will be flowing into the space. This 1.09 trillion market cap is going to be nothing. By the end of 2025, we may see a 10 trillion market cap. Those headline news, hey, they could quote me. We could be at $10 trillion by the end of 2025. I truly believe that can happen. Doesn't mean that we need $10 trillion in the space to make that happen, but we're going to get a lot of money. We're going to get a shitload of money coming in the next 2 years. Ethereum and tokenization is still big. I covered this the other day. UBS, which is a large bank in Europe, launches tokenization trial on Ethereum, right? But they're not the only one. Franklin Templeton also saying tokenization is securitization done on steroids. Basically, every bank is looking at tokenizing something. It's a payment mechanism. It also allows smart contracts, and it's a general ledger. I mean, yes, you have so many advantages to utilizing blockchain for tokenization. I mean, you could apply this to anything. You really could apply this to everything. And let's not forget fractionalization of ownership too, which you can't really do easily with anything else, but you could do it easily with tokens, right? So everyone is getting involved with tokenization. Ethereum, of course, is the ledger that's leading the way, but there's many others that you could do this with. You could do it with Solana. You can do this with Cardano, Avalanche, Polygon, right? These the big boys. And there are a lot of smaller L2s and L1s that you could do this with as well. There's a lot of things happening in the space. Things that never happened before in previous cycles. Again, another reason why this cycle is going to be so different and so much better than previous cycles, because there are innovations happening now that have never happened before. Grayscale, they want to change their Ethereum Trust to a spot ETF. So we do have applicants for spot Ethereum ETF too. Grayscale, of course, is trying to convert their Bitcoin Trust into a Bitcoin spot ETF. Now they're trying to do it for Ethereum. Although, you know what? Ethereum's ETF debut had shockingly low volumes, right? Was not nearly as high as people thought. Overall, we had 7 different futures-based Ethereum ETFs launch, and just a volume about 1.7 million. That's it. Right now, it does not surprise me. Not a whole lot of people are FOMO in right now. But wait until the bull market hits. This volume will grow very, very rapidly. Now, future-based ETFs really doesn't matter. Spot ETF is what matters. And we will get some Ethereum spot ETFs too. When we get them, that's when the buying will really drive prices of ETH higher. Just like Bitcoin spot ETFs will drive Bitcoin prices higher. So right now, it's just like a stepping stone. It's going to get better. It's going to get better for sure. ETH is still being burned. It is still deflationary. So that fact has not changed. And just because the Feds, I should say, scared off the market a little bit, That does not mean you should be scared off. There are so much goodness coming to the space. Fiat is garbage, like Elon says. This is the time to be DCAing and holding leg. It's really that simple. Circle and Noble is bringing USDC to Cosmos. A lot of you guys are Cosmos fans. I am too. Now you'll get native USDC within Cosmos. That means all the major chains within Cosmos, like Injective or Kava or Osmosis, they'll be able to utilize USDC soon. And that is good. That is good. When you get a major stablecoin coming in and brings a lot of stability, that's awesome. Awesome. Elon and X may be introducing their crypto wallet and payment services. It's been highly speculated, and we know they're working on it. So when is this going to be announced? This could be huge. This could be right around the corner, or it could be pushed in 2024. But if it comes out later this year, I would not be surprised. And who's to say that Elon won't open up Bitcoin payments once again for Teslas? It is now proven with 100% certainty that more than 50% of energy used to mine Bitcoin is clean energy, right? That's what Elon said. Hey, if it's over 50%, I'll open up Bitcoin payments again, right? So that could also be coming. And then also, of course, this highly anticipated X payment app, right, which will be utilizing crypto and fiat. I'm sure there's fiat involved, but utilizing Doge, maybe Bitcoin, Ethereum, maybe XRP, right? That would be absolutely huge as well. So this is another thing to look forward to. But I think 2024, there's plenty to look forward to outside of even this. This could be, I was saying the quadfecta. I don't know if this counts as a fifth. I don't even know what's after quad. Cinquefecta. I don't know. I don't know how you say it, but this could be another one too. And also today we saw that Honda announced that they will also be accepting Bitcoin and Ethereum, right, as payment method. Honda's absolutely huge worldwide. Awesome in racing, awesome motorcycles, awesome power tools, or power equipment, awesome cars. I mean, they're in everything, right? So with this partnership with FCF Pay, you could buy a Honda Accord in the future with Bitcoin and Ethereum. That's fantastic. That's fantastic.